Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the Bodega TWW55 car fridge. It comes with an app. I'm not able to show you that because it's on my phone and I'm using my phone to record this. Anyway, see, it's 35 degrees in the fridge, 17 in the freezer. And these little marks here, that's the right side, that's the left side. Left side's the refrigerator. Left side's refrigerator, right side's the freezer. Comes with a pretty cool pull-out handle. And also has wheels. I'll show you the inside. Pretty good size. And it has the baskets that pull out. This is a freezer, this is a fridge, or you can make them both fridge or both freezer, either way. Comes with a nice little cutting board here. Get it out of here and show you. A lot of people want to know what this is for. It's like for cutting limes or vegetables or whatever you want to do when you mix your drinks. That's there. And it just clips back in here. This clips back in. The cool thing about this is you can change the door so that it will open from either side. And now it'll open from that side. And it comes with a little bottle opener on this side over here. I really like this. And to be honest with you, the first one they sent me, sorry about the plane, first one they sent me, I had a problem. It wouldn't cool the way it should. So they sent me another one, no problems whatsoever. I mean, support was really great. Then we got a little USB port over here, I guess, so you can charge your cell phone or whatever. But overall, yeah, it's pretty good fridge. It runs off of 110, 12 volt, or it's got a solar plug in the back here. Let me see if I can get back here to show you. There's a little solar plug right there. And then this place right here is for a battery. You can buy a battery for it. The battery's a little bit pricey. So. And I'll tell you, when I was testing this thing, I got a solar charger panel. And I plugged it in right here, and it run this thing. It's 100 watts. So they prefer you run it with a power box, but like this. But I'll run it off the solar panel. Here's a solar panel. Let me show you the solar panel I got. See right there, it's a solar charger. They run it pretty good. I'll show you something else I did. Instead of buying the battery, because the battery's pricey, it's $180. I have this Axo charger, and then a power plant here, bank, and I run it off of that, and it runs 6 hours off of this thing. So, I mean, that's a thought right there. But yeah, it'll run off your power generator here, and I don't know why they call these generators. They don't really generate power. Anyway, enough of me jabbing. There it is, Bodega. I really like this thing. Let me give you the specs on it here. Comes with a nice app. I had trouble getting the app started at first, but once I got it figured out, I'm old, you know, I'm not technology inclined, so it took me a little bit to get it going, but once I got it going, it works great. I mean, I can have this out here in my garage, and I can go in the house, anywhere in my house. And my house is a good little ways. I can go anywhere in my house and look at this thing, and it shows up on the app, so pretty happy with that. So anyway, I'll put a link in the bottom of my website. You can go to truckcampinglife.com, and I got a written review on it too. It shows a little more detail. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. Would I buy it again? Oh yeah. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm as transparent as I can be. You know, if somebody sends me something and I review it, I'm gonna give you the honest opinion. I mean, I'm not gonna beat around the bush. But you got to understand, it's my opinion. So anyway, there you go. The Bodega TWW55. Good fridge. And God bless, and we'll see you next time.